Hello everyone, my name is Panipa. Today I will going to tell you how I can create my own index by StockSharp data. If you think my video useful for you, please press like and subscribe my StockSharp channel to make sure you don't miss my new video update. How to create my own index by StockSharp data? Let's go to see. Open up your StockSharp data application. First, you have to download market data of instruments you want to create your own index into StockSharp data application. For example, I want to create my own index from Apple, Amazon, and Google instruments, and I already have market data of all instruments in my StockSharp data application. First, I have to click on security icon where is all instrument market data I downloaded. I want to create my own index from Apple instrument, Amazon instrument, and Google instrument. I will click on plus sign and select to create index. Create the name for call my own index on ID tab. Put the formula, for example, Apple divided with Amazon, because I want to see what the instrument is stronger between Apple and Amazon. Click verify. Click OK and OK again. This is the index I just created. Still doesn't have market data because it's just an index. Click on the candle icon. Select time frame and date. Select security instruments. Select an index I just created by double click on it. Click OK. Go to the view from. Select to view from composite element. But we no need to select view from composite element every time. Just click save and select save view. Click to view market data information. Wait a minute. Click to view candle charts. From the chart, I can see in some period of chart go up, it means that period Apple stronger than Amazon, and for some period the chart going down, it means that period Apple weaker than Amazon. For create another index, I just go back to security and do the same. For another example, I will use formula multiply all three instruments together. Click verify and click OK. For function to find index in StockSharp, for function to find index in StockSharp data, put power, which comes from the word power, in front, and put M here and here. If we omitting M, Hydra will understand it is an integer, not a fraction. So we have to insert M every time. to let Hydra understand it is friction, not integer. Click verify. OK, and OK again. Go to candle. Select time frame and date. Select security increment. Select the index I just created by double-click on it. Click OK. View market data. Click View candle chart. This is the candle chart, my own index from the formula I used by time frame I downloaded. Right now I want to know what kind of trend will Apple instrument be in the market from overview of the index of 3 instruments I just create. I just compare Apple instrument with the index of 3 instruments that I already calculate and see in the which direction the chart will be. From the chart I can see that is it an uptrend. This shows me that an Apple is stronger than the whole IT sector. You can use index in your own trading or analysis by exporting calculated data into other programs. I hope my video will be useful for you. Thank you for your watching and don't forget to subscribe my StockSharp channel. See you again in next video. Goodbye.